What is the difference between a study break and procrastination? Imagine you're sitting at your desk, eyes glued to your textbook, feeling your focus slipping away. You might wonder if taking a quick pause is helpful or just a way to avoid work. That's what we're here to figure out today. Sometimes, it's hard to tell if a pause is good or bad for your study routine. Let's break it down. A study break is a planned, short pause during your study session. It's meant to give your brain a rest so you can come back more focused. For example, after studying for 25 minutes, taking a 5-minute walk or stretching helps your mind reset. These breaks are intentional and timed, helping you stay productive over longer periods. They prevent mental fatigue and improve memory retention. Procrastination, on the other hand, is when you delay or avoid your study tasks altogether. Instead of taking a quick break, you might spend an hour scrolling through social media or watching videos. It's often unplanned and can easily turn into a longer distraction. Procrastination usually happens because you feel overwhelmed, anxious, or unmotivated about the task. It leads to rushing later, which can cause stress and lower the quality of your work. The main difference is purpose. Study breaks are meant to boost your focus and are part of your study plan. They are controlled, short, and help maintain your energy. Procrastination is about avoiding work, often without realizing it, and it tends to last longer than intended. It can make you feel guilty or stressed because you're not making progress. Another key point is how they affect your productivity. Taking regular, timed breaks using methods like the Pomodoro technique, which involves studying for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break, can help you stay on track. But if you find yourself constantly delaying tasks or losing hours to distractions, that's a sign you're procrastinating. To keep your study time effective, plan your breaks ahead of time. Set clear goals for each session and stick to them. Minimize distractions by turning off notifications or finding a quiet space. Recognizing when a pause is a helpful break versus when it's turning into procrastination can make a big difference. Remember, a well-placed break can refresh your mind, but avoiding work altogether will only slow you down.